guys, I'm Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. We're in the showroom today. I wanted to kind of go over a little bit of a comparison between the VH700 and the Weekend Warrior. When you guys call in, most times the salesperson is going to ask you what size are your parts, is it a hobby, is it a business, is it something you're going to use on a daily basis. If it's an entry-level type hobby, we're going to talk to you about the VH700. Most cases the top load makes it super convenient. The fact that the closed loop system is going to be under or behind the cabinet. You can also put this as an open loop system. It can be on a tabletop where it's going to save you space. The inside dimensions are 24 by 18 by 20. So you want to make sure that your parts obviously are going to fit comfortably in there because you do have the gloves that you're going to have to work around. You have the internal rinse nozzle and the blasting hose as well. Small LED floodlight, and then the normal slurry pump is going to be inside. It's going to take about 12 pounds of abrasive, and that's something to keep in mind when you're considering which machine you want to look at. In comparison, we also have the Weekend Warrior, which is a hobbyist cabinet, but as you can see, you're going to gain 33 inches wide by 30 inches deep by 28 inches high inside. And this cabinet is going to also have the slurry pump underneath the floor. It's going to take about 25 pounds of abrasive, about 18 gallons of water. And it's going to do everything that the VH700 is going to do, but about 85% of the parts that come in your shop are going to fit inside this cabinet. So make sure you consider how big your parts are. But don't forget that we do the lifetime warranty and the upgrade option without depreciation. So even if you start with the 700, you can always trade it in and move up to the Weekend Warrior or the VH800 base or the VH800 fully loaded or any of the other cabinets that we manufacture. For any questions or if you need any more information, please give me a call at 828-220-4967. Thank you so much.